Hey guys, it's HavasuLew out in beautiful Lake Havasu. Hoping you're having a great day so far. We're on our way to check out a brand new home that was just completed recently. It's a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, double RV garage. Hang out and check it out with us, and I'll talk to you in a minute. All right, guys, right here at 3501 Hollister Drive. This is a brand new house. It was just completed. It's on the south end of town. It's going to be real close to the new launch ramp and marina when that opens. That's Highway 95 across that vacant lot over there. It's a nice little neighborhood. No junk around. All kind of newer homes. So it's got a little bit of side parking, but you can't get much back there. They got 2 mini split units, air conditioning the garages. It's got a paver driveway. Let's go check out the inside. Nicely landscaped, nice stonework. Look like it's all pre-wired for like security cameras on the outside or whatever you wanted to do. All right, guys, this is a 3-bedroom, 4-bath, 2,300 square feet, big open living area, can lights and ceiling fans, nice wood plank tile floors. They did the trowel down on the walls. It's got a nice big kitchen with dual ovens. Looks like quartz or granite countertops. Upgraded cabinets. Little pantry. All right, so this is a split floor plan. The other 2 bedrooms are on the front of the house, and then you have the master in the back. This is the master suite. It's got double doors out to the back patio. So you got your master bath, dual vanities, quartz counters. You got a little closet, toilet, big walk-in shower. So it's got a pretty big walk-in shower with a glass door. So you got this huge master walk-in closet. It's gigantic. Lots of storage, lots of space. I mean, it's almost another room back here. Got quartz counters, super custom can lights. It's one of the biggest walk-in closets I've seen in a while. Let's go check out the other side of the house. So you got bedroom number 2 off the front of the house. It's got nice mountain views out the window. You have your guest bath, same setup with the quartz counters. So you got bedroom number 3, also at the front of the house. Can lights, ceiling fans, kind of just a mirror of the other one. So you have another bathroom. So these could be like 3 master suites basically, because each one of these bathrooms, even though it's in the hallway, could be used as little master suites for these rooms. So you got your indoor laundry, can lights, Nice counters, cabinets, and a little sink. Let's go check out these garages. All right, so you have quite the garage setup in this house. You have a big, oversized 2-car garage. Looks like it's a 43-foot bay. You have a dual RV garage setup with 14-foot doors, 79 feet deep. This place has 5 mini split AC units in it, tons of insulation, epoxy floors. So these garage doors look like they're almost both double wide. This one looks like it's a little bit wider, all insulated doors, all open. So this whole space measures about 5,100 square feet of garage space. There's a drive-through door in the rear. This place is pretty massive. So even the pull-through garage in the rear here has an opener. It's got your hose bibs, RV hookups. Got your little water closet with your RO system, hot water heater, soft water, etc. So this is also where bathroom number 4 resides, out here in the garage. All right, so you have this huge, huge oversized covered patio, all pavers. It's got can lights, ceiling fans. You know, this is a big 15,000 plus square foot lot, but they've taken up a lot of it with the garages. You could still put a pool in here. There's still plenty of room for a pool. It's all walled, ready to go. Still got some area behind the garages as well. You can make this into something pretty nice, a little landscaping, maybe a little retaining wall and some plants, and a nice pool would look pretty cool. Hey guys, HavasuLew back again with you. Hope you enjoyed the quick little video walk through the house over here on Hollister. I will put a direct link to the listing detail page so you can see all the original listing pictures, current price, availability. Also put my contact information right below this video as well. So if you guys have any questions at all, feel free to reach out to me anytime. I'm always here to help. You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.